Hi guys! In today's video, we will be unboxing my... Oh, look at who's here with me. Hi Sushi! Hi baby! Hi. So we will be unboxing my Jo Malone perfume. So I have with me my baby Sushi. There you go. Hey, say hi. So okay, we will be unboxing my Jo Malone perfume. Keep on watching. Hi guys, so we will start the unboxing of our Jo Malone perfume. So I bought this in Alwada Mall for a secret dirham, so I'm not gonna reveal the price. So here it goes. So okay, let's unbox this. So tell me guys in the comment section below what is your favorite perfume, or also if you like Jo Malone, what's your favorite scent. Yeah, so comment down below, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, like this video. So okay, we'll open this. Ta-da! So it's Sakura Cherry Blossom. So here it is. Okay, can you see that? Okay, so let's try this. Actually, this is my first time to have a Jo Malone perfume. I've never tried this before, so I don't know. But as it, you know, the Sakura is like floral, so I like floral scents. So okay, let's try. Yeah, so they have like this little thing. Okay. Oh, the box is nice. Look at that, with all the what do you call this, protection for the bottle. Okay, so here it is. I like this cute little thing in the lid. So let's try. Smells nice. I like it guys. So it's like more on floral, and then it's kinda like you can smell the citrus of it, and then yeah, like citrus, floral, and then like something rosy. It's nice, I like it. This could be my favorite perfume for the year. It's nice. Oh my god, this is amazing. Yeah, so here's the, oh, it says the ingredients below. So it says, yeah, citral, cinnamon. I'm not so expert about this, you know. I have no idea about perfumes, about the scents. I mean about the ingredients. So yeah, overall it's worth the price. Amazing. I like it guys. Perfect. I would love this. Let's try this. I love it. So yeah, I think, yeah, the best. Like, you know, I like floral with a touch of citrus, especially now it's summer. I mean, here in UAE is like always summer. It's too hot. So I would always recommend to have a nice perfume, because if you go out and then it should be like, you should, especially for girls, we should have a nice perfume. Yeah, so I think that ends my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe in my YouTube channel, and also please comment down below what's your favorite perfume and what scent, or what could you recommend to other viewers as well, that for example you have a favorite perfume, and then what scent or like that. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.